not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Today let us revise the important current affairs useful for all the coming exams. Do not worry, today's current affairs I'll cover along with tomorrow's current affairs. Do subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss important daily updates in short. I have provided you the yesterday's PDF link. Download it if you want to read it in offline mode. And do mention your score in the comment section. Let's start. Who received the prestigious B.C. Roy Award 2018? Dr. B.K. Mishra, Dr. Lakshman, Dr. Sanjay or Dr. Manish? The answer is A, Dr. B.K. Mishra. Now very important, B.C. Roy Award has been asked many times in many exams. It is the highest medical honor of the nation instituted in the year 1976. Bidhan Chandra Roy was a renowned physician and a former West Bengal Chief Minister. The National Doctors' Day is celebrated in his memory every year on 1st July. Now this award will be given to Dr. B.K. Mishra in the year 2019 on July 1st by President Ram Nath Kovind. Now this is a picture of Dr. B.K. Mishra. Who is the first woman IAS officer of independent India? Renuka Roy, Anna Raja Malhotra, Kiran Bedi or Marin Joseph? It is B, Anna Raja Malhotra. Now very important, you need to know all the first women officers of India. Now the first IPS officer is Kiran Bedi, you all know. The first IAS officer, remember, it is Anna Raja Malhotra. She belonged to 1951 batch of the IAS. She was in news recently because she died in the month of September 2018. She received Padma Bhushan in the year 1989. She worked under 7 chief ministers and worked closely with the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in the Asiad project. She was also the first Malayali woman to hold the secretarial post in the central government. The world's first hydrogen-powered train rolls out in which of the following country? China, USA, Germany or Israel? The answer is C, Germany. Germany had rolled out the world's first hydrogen-powered train. Now this train is costlier than most of the polluting diesel trains, but this train is of more eco-friendly. What is the name of the India's first biofuel flight operated by the Spicejet? Bombardier Q400, Sukhoi 30 MKI, Boeing 737 or Boeing 900Q? The answer is A, Bombardier Q400. It is India's first biofuel flight which has been operated by Spicejet. Recently it took off from Dehradun's Jolly Grant Airport and successfully landed in Delhi. Now this is a huge step towards encouraging sustainable and alternative fuels for transportation and aviation sector. Who will be the first space tourist to trip around the moon announced by SpaceX? Yusaku Maezawa, Jack Ma, Masaoka or Takashi Miike? It is A, Yusaku Maezawa. SpaceX is a private American aerospace manufacturer headquartered in California. It is founded by Elon Musk. In 2002, it had developed Big Falcon launch vehicle. Now the SpaceX revealed that Japan billionaire Yusaku Maezawa will be its first space tourist. Now in this mission they will trip around the moon, and this mission will be launched in the year 2023. Now he is Yusaku. No Spin is the autobiography of which of the following cricketer? Shane Watson, Brett Lee, Dale Steyn, or Ravichandran Ashwin? The answer is A. Shane Watson. Now his autobiography is no spin. You need to remember all the important cricketers' autobiographies that have been released recently. Very important from exam point of view. Who received Nobel Prize 2018 for medicine? Now very important question. If you're preparing for State Public Service Commission, almost 150 questions will be asked on GK and current affairs. So this is the area many times appeared in many exams. Now let us see the options. Jeffrey C. Hall and Michael Rosbash, James P. Allison and Tasuku Honzo, George Smith and Francis Arnold, or Dennis Muwegh or Nadia Murad? The answer is B. James P. Allison and Tasuku Honzo. Both have received combinedly the Nobel Prize for Medicine. They received this award for their remarkable research on cancer therapy. They have discovered a protein on immune cells which can fight the tumors. Now this is the picture of James P. Allison and Tasuku Honzo. Anna Burns received Booker Prize for 2018 for which of the following book? The English Patient, Lincoln in the Bardo, Milkman, or The Long Take? The answer is C. Milkman. She was awarded for the 2018 Booker Prize for the third novel Milkman. She became the first Northern Irish author to win this prize. So this is it for today. From tomorrow onwards, we'll continue the daily important current affairs from Hindu newspaper in detail. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Mention your views in the comment section and do not forget to download the PDF link. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.